Welcome to Griddle Cooking with Chef Sherry Ronning. It's the month of giving thanks, and I'm very grateful for my brother Joel and my nephew Alex, and I'm going to bring a whole bunch of corrections officers and workers a hot lunch, and I'm going to give them a hot griddle sandwich, some chips, and my famous no-bake cookies, and hopefully they enjoy it. I've toasted the buns up already. We've got them all nice and warm and toasted. So all I'm doing is deli meat. I have deli ham and turkey. I just cut it up really thin. They're thin, and I'm just gonna add it to the hot griddle. Hear that nice sizzle? That's exactly what you want to hear for this. So now that the cheese is all melted on the meat, I'm gonna take and make up the sandwiches. The sandwiches have been delivered and they went over very well. They enjoyed them a lot. Make sure to subscribe to my page and follow me for more awesome recipes. We'll see you again soon. Bye.